The Happiness Workbook came from group meetings discussing A Course in Miracles. Many people felt that the thought of 365 lessons was overwhelming, so Tori designed 30 simple lessons embracing the basic wisdom from the Course. The lessons help people understand how they are determining what they experience by how they interpret life situations. And the workbook helps people learn how to undo thoughts that create self-doubt, fear, anger, resentment. You can order the Happiness Workbook on Tori's vibranthealthhappiness.com website. It is part of a 3 books on CD special. And you can find Tori's inspirational videos on her Vibrant Health Happiness YouTube channel. There's a gift in every storm. Namaste.